Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. Today we will see something about a try statement. When we are not sure about our program is 100% proper or not, so instead of getting rid of errors, that means instead of getting the errors, we can just type something like we are going to write a block of code, and if any error in that code, and it will just execute the another block. That means it will just tell us you have the error in the your program, like that. It will not give us the error, it will just give us there is an error in the program, like that. That we can done with the try statement. When we see that, I think you will come to know what is it. So for that I'm using this Python official IDE, and here for example this is the syntax. First you have to write try and just put on colon, and here you need to write something our experimental code. For example, I'm going to I'm going to do some calculation. A equal to 10 and b equals to 10, and I'm printing no, okay, c equals to a plus b. Okay, c equals to a plus b, and here I'm going to print value of c. But instead of c, what I do means for just some mistakes, I just write d. Now if we execute this, and it will give us the error. If we just execute from until here to here, it will give us the error that d is not declared, something like error. But we can just do something like this. So here what I'm going to write is except. That means if any error is there in the above block, that means in this try block, if any error is there, then it will execute this except block. Okay, except, and here I'm going to write print something exception occurred. Okay, like this I'm going to print. Or you can print anything, or you can even exit the other block, because in if we are going to develop something like a web application and all, if any error occur, then we should not display this error is occurred, like variable d is not declared. If we display that error, the user not able to understand, because he don't know the program, he is just seeing the outer interface. At that time this statement will going to help. Except print something exception occurred or something error occurred, try again, like that we need to print, right? We need to display like that. So now if we execute this, you can see something exception occurred, because here print d is error. Otherwise if we just type you can see just if we just type a equal, oh, okay, yeah, this is just indentation error. A equals to 10 and b equals to 10 and c equals to I will just type a print d, print, and here d. Okay, here you can see you will just give us the error name d is not declared. But you can use this except and try, that means these advantages, the try and the except in Python, and you can tackle these problems, that is getting the error problems. But when we are writing the program for just to understand, at that time don't use this, because you will not come to know what error is occurred. But if we are giving that program, or if we are making any something applications or anything, then if the situation is like due to some user's mistake or some internet issues or anything, if any error occurs, then it has to execute the further blocks which are in this except block. The whatever the statements in the try, if it get error, if it has error, then this block will not be executed and this will be executed. Okay, we'll just try something like okay, try, and here I'm going to write print high. Okay, print high, and in the second line I'm going to type print d. That means the first line is correct here, but second line is wrong. We will see whether it will executes the first line or not. Then I need to type except. Okay, except, and in the except I need to just type print error, okay. Okay, now I will execute this. Yeah, here you can see the first line is executed and then it will print the error. That means in Python it is not like C. That means in C and all it will compile the whole code at the beginning and then after the compilation it will start executing. But here it is like a line by line execution. So here this try is initially it is executed, then this statement is executed. This is correct. So we got the output as high. But when this is executed, it will just give the error, so it jumps to this except block and this will print the error. That means it is line by line execution. Therefore you can see when we type a equal to 10, it is not asking for the next line. If we click the enter, it will just execute that line. That means it is assigned a equals to 10. Like it is a line by line execution. I hope you understand about this try and the except block. Yeah, thank you.